here go my new rear end, the 370Z diff. So these two spacers right here these are GK Tech spacers. You gotta buy two. They usually only sell you one for the 350Z or 370Z diff conversion for S chassis. So just buy two of those. This is I believe a Pathfinder rear cover because it has two studs. If you have a lot of power, I recommend running two studs. Because I ripped mine out, but I got 720, so that's why it's ripping out. And then this right here, this hump is cut up a bit higher, so my diff sits a bit higher. So if you notice, usually when you do this conversion, these holes are on the bottom, but mine are on the top. So my diff's about an inch up higher than normal. Then I added the GK Tech gussets just to reinforce it. As you can see, everything's good to go. Richard at B-side did all the fabrication work. That's why it's so nice and clean. I don't think any of this is gonna break anymore. Now I gotta get ready to put it in with the Wisefab on. It's the new thing. All right, here we go.